Our 7 salon started like so many others, small. But through the years, we've developed world-class systems and grown to a thriving team of over 60 stylists.
As we expanded, we needed more from our products. What we were using had been formulated for editorial use, and that's not what our stylists needed. They needed products that could create luxurious, touchable, three-dimensional hair.
We know the hair is going to look good, but when they say they love the way their hair feels and the client loves the way it feels, it makes me feel like I found a really great salon partner.
7 is not just a hair product brand. We are a support team. We are passionate and committed to your success as a salon and the success of your stylist in your salon.
If I could describe the future of 7 in one word, it would be growth.
Modern.
Exhilarating.
Game changer.
Growing leaps and bounds.
It's so much more than just the product you stock on your shelves and what you're using at the back bar. It's who is there for you when you need it the most.
If what's important to you is education, both technical and business, having products that perform and truly sell, and working with a company that has walked a day in your shoes, then 7 should be right for you.